Are you on a weight loss journey and looking for a delicious, satisfying, and nutritious way to shed those extra pounds? We'll explore the benefits of frozen fruit smoothies and provide you with a recipe that will help you on your path to a healthier, slimmer you. The power of frozen fruit. Frozen fruit is a fantastic ingredient for weight loss smoothies for several reasons. Firstly, it's incredibly convenient. You can store a variety of frozen fruits in your freezer, ensuring they're always on hand when you're craving a healthy snack. Frozen fruit also maintains its nutritional value, making it just as nutrient-dense as fresh fruit.
Weight loss benefits.
Low in calories. Frozen fruits are naturally low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those seeking to lose weight. You can enjoy a large, satisfying serving of fruit without worrying about consuming excessive calories. High in fiber. Fiber is crucial for weight loss, as it keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. Frozen fruits, especially berries, are rich in fiber, which can help control your appetite and reduce overeating. Packed with nutrients. Frozen fruits are brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients support your overall health and can boost your metabolism, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. Ingredients: 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 small banana fresh or frozen, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt plain, non-fat, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or your preferred milk, 1 tablespoon of honey or added sweetness, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and fiber and omega-3s. Instructions: add the frozen mixed berries, banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and honey. If desired, to a blender. Blend the ingredients until the mixture is smooth and creamy. You can adjust the consistency by adding more or less almond milk. Once the smoothie is well blended, add the chia seeds and pulse the blender for a few seconds to incorporate them. Pour the smoothie into a glass. Garnish with fresh berries or a banana slice and enjoy. Incorporating frozen fruit smoothies into your weight loss journey can be a game changer. The combination of low-calorie frozen fruits, fiber, and essential nutrients makes these smoothies a delicious and satisfying way to curb your cravings while working towards your weight loss goals.
3-Day Detox Challenge. Download link K in description below.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.